Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stickers on iPhone, and I'll hopefully cover all the ways available or possible, right, to do or make your own stickers on iPhone. Now, first of all, right, if you open messages, right, and tap on the plus icon available here, and then tap on the stickers panel available here, right, you'll find your stickers available here. That's, when we talk about the, right, messages app. Okay, so let's go back again, right, and go to the stickers panel. All right, and new stickers are available here. So the first way is for doing that, all right, to make your own stickers is through this, through the stickers here. Right, now tap on new sticker, all right, and choose a photo from your own, we can say, photos or library. Right, now as you can see guys, I have like some options here. It means that you can get sticker from all of these kinds of photos available on your iPhone. So these are all types, right? And live, people, food, and also vehicles. These are the things that I have, right? In my photos. Okay. Now, if I tap on one of these pictures, right? Let's just tap on this one. Okay. Right. And it automatically, right, extracts, right, the object available here in this, right, we can say photo add sticker, and that's it. Now it's been added, right? So it's been added to the sticker panel here. So I'm able to send it for now. Now, the second way is you can go to the photos, right, and then search like in your photos, okay, and choose the one that you want to make a sticker out of that picture, or we can say photo, right? Now let's say I want this one, right? If I tap and hold, right, the picture again, all right, wait, tap and hold, right, and now the sticker, or we can say the object, is extracted, right, from the photo. So you're able to add the sticker. Now release it, okay, and then you will have some options. One of them says add a sticker, add it, right? And then just right next to the one that we have previously done, right? Another way of making stickers on your iPhone and saving it to your device is go to the photos, right, and choose the photo, tap on the object, right, and then out of the Photos app, then Messages, right, after that, Send. Now, after it's been sent, right, let's see whether it's saved with the stickers, right, or in the stickers panel or not. So it's not saved here, right? Now, tap and hold again, right? Tap and hold it, right? And then tap on save, right? And then it will be saved, right, to your device, but in the Photos app, right? So it's been saved to here. So it means that, guys, it is not saved to the stickers here, right? So next time you'll be able to send it from the photos. Now, the third way, actually, which is like something I believe most of the people do not know about it, okay? Now, go to the Google, right, and search for a photo, right, guys? So let's just go with puppy, right? All right, this is, actually the most interesting way, actually, I found, right, or discovered of making stickers on iPhone. Now tap and hold, right, and drag a picture or a photo, tap on some others, collect all of them together, right, and then out of Google, now head to the files. I've already made this folder, so feel free to do so or not. Feel free, right, to do whatever you want. Release them, right? Now the next step is drag, right, or scroll down with 2 fingers, right? Just like that, right? And then tap on the 3 dots available here and then remove background. All right, so here we go with the new stickers on your device. Now let's tap and see, right? So it's all available, right? Now tap on this, okay? And then save image, okay? Now it's been saved. Let's see, go back to the photos, right? Now the sticker is available here. But let's check whether it is saved in the stickers panel available here. So it is not, right? But you can tap on the add plus icon available here, right? And then the sticker will be added to, right, to the stickers panel available on your device. So these are all the available and possible ways, guys, you have on your iPhone to make stickers. If you liked it, share with your friends, and see you next time.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push